WhatsApp with ads could be a reality very soon. If you already knew the fact that WhatsApp was initially paid, let me tell you that you are already a little old. A long time ago, WhatsApp charged you an annual subscription, although every time the year ran out, many people were considering leaving WhatsApp, and WhatsApp forgave them that year and renewed for free. So that was WhatsApp's way of monetizing in the beginning, before Meta, which used to be called Facebook, acquired it. But since Meta acquired it, they removed the option of an annual subscription, and so far they haven't found a way to monetize the app, at least not publicly. In an interview with WhatsApp's boss, a Brazilian media asked him if they would soon put ads inside users' chats, to which WhatsApp's boss replied that they believe that this was not the right way. He further added the following: "People, when they open their inbox, don't want to see advertising." However, the idea of WhatsApp showing ads in other parts of the app is not ruled out. This person mentioned channels as a place where they could possibly integrate advertising, and also the section where you can see your contacts' statuses. Very similar to what happens with Instagram stories, that while you're watching them, some advertising appears interspersed. This person also said that they could contemplate the existence of paid channels. That is, so that you can join that channel, as a user you must make a monthly payment possibly, and WhatsApp gets a commission from that payment. At the moment, one of the main sources of income for WhatsApp is its API based on WhatsApp Business, with which different businesses can create much more complex applications to interact with their customers through this platform. According to WhatsApp's boss, this platform generates them $10 billion a year. So it has been a good way to obtain income through WhatsApp, but if they integrate advertising in some sections, they can possibly multiply this income.